Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am reading the news paper. My purpose is improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our today article: Pamban Bridge and Engineering Marvel PM. Milestone structure. Prime Minister Narendra Modi waves as an Indian Coast Guard ship passes under the new Pamban Bridge at Rameshwar in Ramanathapuram, Tamil Nadu on Sunday. Modi inaugurated India's first vertical lift sea bridge built over the Park Street at a cost of 531 crore rupee and flags of new train services. He said the bridge will have positive effect on the lives of lakhs of people. Mega infrastructure projects are being implemented at a faster pace, the PM says, adding that a dedicated freight corridor is also being readied as Sundar Rameshwaram. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday inaugurated the new Pamban Railway Bridge, which connects the Rameshwaram island of the Tamil Nadu coast with Ramanathapuram on the mainland. Constructed by Rail Vikas Nigam Limited at a cost of 531 crore rupee, the 2.07-kilometer bridge over the Park Strait features a 72.5-meter vertical lift span that can be raised to a height of 70 meters, facilitating smooth ship movement underneath while improving rail connectivity. The Prime Minister also flagged off new train service between Rameshwar and Tambaram, Chennai, laid the foundation stone for the four-lane work on the section of National Highway number 14 km Valajapet near Chennai in Tamil Nadu to the Andhra Pradesh boundary, and dedicate these three other four-lane highway project in Tamil Nadu. The Prime Minister described the new bridge, India's first vertical lift sea bridge, as an engineering wonder that brought together technology and traditions. With the completion of the bridge, a long pending demands of the people had been fulfilled. He said the Pamban Rail Bridge will support both ease of business and ease of travel. It will have positive effect on the lives of lakhs of people, he said. Trade and tourism. The structure, which has replaced the no defined British era old Pamban Railway Bridge, is expected to enhance connectivity while benefiting trade and tourism in Tamil Nadu. With the Park Strait being a highly corrosive environment, the bridge has been constructed with stainless steel reinforcement and feature height rate protectivity. And the government said the new bridge is 3 meters higher than the existing one, stating that the economy of the country had doubled in the past 10 years. The Prime Minister credited the faster growth to the availability of modern infrastructure. We have increased investment in development of rail connectivity, roads, ports, airports, electricity, and a piped water supply and gas supply by around 6 times, Mr. Modi said. He further said that mega infrastructure projects are being implemented at a faster pace across the country. He said the Chennai Rail Bridge, one of the highest rail bridges in the world, has been constructed in Jammu and Kashmir in the north. The Atal Setu in Mumbai, in the longest sea bridge, has come up in the western part of the country. The Bogeyville Bridge, the longest rail cum road bridge, has been built over Brahmaputra in Assam in the east, and the Pamban Bridge with the vertical lift span has been commissioned in the south. The Prime Minister added that a dedicated freight corridor was also being readied while work on the bullet train project was underway at fast pace. Modern trains like Vande Bharat, Amrit Bharat, Namo Bharat were making the rail network more advanced. Connectivity instead, the path to a developed nation had become stronger with better regional connectivity, he said, adding every state in the country was getting better connectivity. Earlier, the Prime Minister also offered prayer at Shri Ramanth Swami Temple on the auspicious day of Ramanavami. Railway Minister Ashwini Vishwa and Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting L. Murugan also spoke. Tamil Nadu Governor R. N. Ravi, State Minister Thangam Thaneresru, and R.S. Rajakanappa, MPs Naval Kanni and R. Dharmar, the senior railway official, were present. Daily battle. A long track of water. A woman collects water from Tel River bed near Sonpur in the West Odisha. Every summer, people are faced with familiar situation in his part of the state with large water source going dry. Now we start our daily English session practice. Stop playing possum and do your work. I am not speaking term with her ever since that incident where she lied to me as Upendra. What is the meaning of play possum? Ajay Kumar Bangalore. Possum consists of two syllables. The vowel in the first sound like the O in pot, not and coat, while the vowel in the second is like the A in China. The word is pronounced possum with the stress on the first syllable. A possum is a nocturnal animal found mostly in America. It is also moving, and whenever it senses the presence of a predator nearby, instead of running away, it lies down and pretends to be dead to ensure that the predator believes that it is dead. The possum emits a foul smell. It does all this in the hope that the predator loses interest in the foul smelling carcass and just move on. It is not just possum which play possum. Even we human beings do so every now and then. For example, when someone that you do not like rings the doorbell, what do? Usually, you keep quiet, you do not open the door, you hope that the person goes away. Another way of playing possum is by pretending to be asleep. Nowadays, the expression is used to mean pretending not to understand. When you play possum, you use all kinds of trick in the hope that people will leave you alone. Stop playing possum. We know that you are fluent. Speak of English. Is it okay to say I am not talking term with Sneha? Satyam Singh. Everyone in India will understand what is you are trying to say. Chances are a native speaker of English will not have a problem either. But the expression talking terms in India, a native speaker would say speaking term. When you say that you are not on speaking term with Sneha, mean means you are not on friendly terms with her. As a result, the two of you do not talk to each other. The opposite is be on speaking term. I have not been on speaking term with him for over 20 years now. How is the word adolescence pronounced? Ankit Mumbai. The word has four syllables. The O and the final E are pronounced like the A in China. The A in the first syllable sound like a like the A in cat, bat, and hat, while the E in the third is like the E in set, bet, and get. The word is pronounced adolescent, with the stress on the third syllable. It comes from the Latin adolescent, meaning young man or woman. Nowadays, the word is mostly used to refer to stage between childhood and adulthood. Once teenage years are frequently referred to as the adolescent years period. When you see the word to refer to an adult, what you are suggesting is that the individual's behavior is rather immature, the person is behaving rather childishly. As upender@gmail.com. This is our today quiz, a quiz on the famous poet William Wordsworth on his 25th, 255th birth anniversary. V.V. Ramanan make this quiz. Question number one. Apart from Wordsworth and Samuel Taylor Coleridge, who is the part of the lake poet Trinity? Name. Question number two. Name Wordsworth's semi-autographical magnum opus published posthumously that contains 40 books and traces the growth of a poet's mind. Question number three. In which famous poem does the line "the Chinese is father of the man" feature? Question number four. Which denominations of the British banknote feature the famous poet likeness. Question number 5. In which language is the Saltatory Repair, a poem published in 1807 singing a plaintive song? Question number 6. Which celebrated poem came about after a walking tour with the sister Dorothy in Way Valley on July 13, 1798. Question number 7. The name of which celebrity poet whom Wordsworth admired began the sonnet London 1802. Visual question. Name the national flower of Wales about which Wordsworth wrote on of his most celebrated poem. Question and answer of to the April 4 editions of the Daily Quiz. The construction of the Dash in 1961 tested the strength of the alliance between the European country and the USA Berlin Wall. One of the NATO more controversial action was its bombing of the Federal Republic of X in 1999 with heavy civilian casualty Yugoslavia. A specific event in the early 2000s non-popular as X caused NATO to invoke Article 5 of its charter for the first and so far the last time in its history. Article 5 defines answer 9/11 attack why causes forgeries. In 2012, the Prime Minister of which country considered invoking NATO's Article 5 owing to spill over of conflict from the Syria civil war? Turkey. Name the country that, while being a founding member of NATO, disallowed permanent peacetime bases nuclear warheads on its territory. Denmark. Visual. Identify this Roman historian. Seleucus. Answer who gives this is early but who gives them. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. Meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.